Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a really quick video. I just got my mail of EllandEmm clothes. Got in the mail. I crossed out my address. I thought I will hop on here and give you guys a quick demonstration, try on haul and stuff like that. Recently I have been cleaning out all the t-shirts I don't like. Some are too thin, transparent, some the quality is not good. Like, I don't want my t-shirt to be too thick or too thin. It has to be like a certain fit. I don't like it too tight and a little bit loose fitting, and you can wear outside or inside the house. Sometimes people like very fitted t-shirt style. I don't really like those, so for me t-shirt has to be like a casual fitting, right? I picked a few t-shirts, I think 4 or 5, I can't remember. So I picked out a few t-shirts from them. They are in a reasonable price. I saw from the website they look really good, so I thought I will give you guys unboxing and the try on haul, give you guys some ideas if you want to purchase from them. Also, this is not sponsored video at all. Let's open this up. So this is the packaging, really nice, simple. So these are the t-shirts I got from them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. This one, which I got their sweatshirt from, like this, but this is a t-shirt. Wow, this is big. Oh, it's super soft. I have a feeling I'm going to like this because it's not transparent, but it's not like super stiff and thick. This would be nice to wear around the house. I have a sweatshirt, let me show you. Okay, so I have this sweatshirt from a long time ago. I really like this style, so I ordered the same style as a t-shirt. Okay, let's try this on soon. If you guys are wondering what I'm wearing, my top, this is also kind of a thin material sweatshirt. This is from Loft, so if you guys are curious, I will list it down below as well. Also, my daughter really likes to look at them because it's really like colorful and got all the flowers, everything. By the way, if you guys don't know, I just had a daughter. Right now she's 4 months old, so when I hold her, she always look at me like happy and look at the colorful stuff. So yeah, and it's really cute looking. All right, so this is the first one I got, also medium. And this is another one, it's the Cha-Cha t-shirt. Also, I got a medium. I don't know if will be too big. Probably should go down a size. I will let you know when I try it on. So this is that. And the other one is super colorful. This one, the material is different because this one is kind of stiff. Kind of a rough material compared to the last two. Last one, but not least, this one. It says Brunette. Yeah, so this one is the small because on the website it says size down. That's why I went with the small. All right, let's try those on. Okay, so this is the Brunette I just showed you guys. This is a small. If I want a loose fitting, probably I should go with medium because this is like a fitted fitting. I don't really like a fitted fitting. Also, this is a little bit, let me show you, a little bit too long for me, but that's not a big deal. It looks nice, right? Over a cardigan, hoodie, anything like that. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, this one is okay. I should go up a size. If you want a loose fitting, don't size down because it's like really fitted, as you can see. Okay, next one. All right, this is the second one, also medium. The neck is too tight. I will try to insert a picture. What does that look like from the website? The model wears it, and then compare to, you know, reality, how people wear it. Yeah, the neck is too tight. I don't like that. But the rest, I like it. The stiff material actually doesn't feel too bad. Also, it's very long. It's a long shirt. Yeah, I like it to be a little bit shorter in style. And the sleeves, it's yeah, I don't like it. It's because of the folding, so it's kind of poking out. Okay, here is the cha-cha shirt. I think so far I like this one the most. The fitting, not the print or anything. But print is cute too. But the fitting, this is really airy and soft. And this fitting is my preference fitting. Kind of loose around the house. But again, look, this is super long. I am 5'5", by the way. So this is like cover everything. I like it to be maybe like that. Again, they all have the same length, I feel. Yeah, so this is the cha-cha one, also medium. This one, the material is very different from the last three. This one feels the most luxurious feeling. It's soft, but it's not super soft. Like, has that kind of a sleek feeling to it, which is really nice. Again, very long. It's like a boyfriend tee, but you cannot tell because I'm wearing black pants. Yeah, this is too long. I feel like I have to change everything to small because clearly medium is too big for me. Yeah, so that's all for today's review. Super quick try on haul plus unboxing, and give you some ideas. If you want more styles, which I didn't pick, you can go to their website and pick up more. Again, this is not sponsored at all. I purchased everything with my own money. I might change everything to small though, because yeah, medium clearly is too big. Like, I want a loose fitting, but not too loose, look like my husband's shirt. Yeah, the style, totally love it. Alright, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!